Hey guys, welcome back to another training video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you download and install iOS 18 beta profile. So let's check guys, here iOS 18 beta is showing. So if it's not showing to your iPhone and you want to download and install it, so how can you do it? So guys, we can do it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all you may open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may click here on general and click on software update, and you may turn on beta updates here, and you may click here on iOS 18 developer beta, and this update will show here. So if this iOS 18 beta is not showing to you, then you may go back and first of all you may open your app store, and in search bar you may write here Apple developer, and you may download and install Apple developer app from here. Then you may open this and you may click here on account and click here on sign in, and you may enroll your device from here. Then you may go back and open any browser, and in search bar you may write here betaprofiles.dev. so open this and you may just wait for some second. So let's check it. You may scroll it down, and here is the option of developer, so you may click here and you may download iOS 18 profile from here. Then open settings again, and that profile will show here, so you may install that profile here. Then you may click here on general and click here on software update, and that update will show here. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.